Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain brick tickets in Heartopia. These tickets are for you to start these special events where you can get the special insects and fishes. So where you can get the colorful brick clownfish or the colorful brick damselfly. So to earn that, you can go to festival event and you'll earn 20 from catching 5 brick insects, and you'll catch another 20 by catching 5 of the brick fishes. But you can also get it from fishing and just insect catching. You'll be able to get it. It's kind of similar to the bunny pom-poms. So when you catch fishes or catch insects, it will randomly give you the tickets, and that is why I have more than enough to start an event. I had 52 and I've only done 2 events, which means I have another 12 extra or something like that. But that is how you can get the tickets to start these special events where you can get these special items, where you can collect these special items. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!